Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Ryan. Thanks for tuning in.
After a 15-hour flight, he's standing at the front desk, barely able to stay awake, and the hotel tells him his room isn't ready. He's already losing his patience.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's situation, a complete travel nightmare.
No sleep, long flight, and now a problem at check-in.
And this guest, he's about to snap. You land, your body feels heavy, your eyes can barely stay open.
You just want to collapse on a bed, even for 5 minutes.
But instead, you get bad news.
Let's jump in. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Royal Palm Hotel. How can I help you today?
Yeah, finally. Reservation under Harrison. I've been traveling for 15 hours. I'm exhausted.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Harrison. Deluxe Suite, 3 nights. I'm afraid your room isn't quite ready yet. We're putting the finishing touches on it.
You've got to be kidding me. I can't believe this. This is ridiculous. I just need 5 minutes on the bed. That's it. I just want to hit the sack. Is there anywhere I can sit that's not a plastic chair?
I completely understand, sir. It'll just be a few more minutes. As a courtesy, here's a voucher for our rooftop lounge.
A voucher? Does that cover coffee and food? Because I'm starving.
It includes 1 beverage and a snack, and we'll take care of your luggage.
Fine. Just give me a heads up the second it's ready. I'll be upstairs. Wait, real question.
You ever feel so tired you'd sleep anywhere, instantly?
Now imagine being told you have to wait.
Would you stay calm or lose it?
Tell us in the comments.
Quick breakdown, no fluff.
Finishing touches, last small details.
Hit the sack, you need sleep.
Voucher, free stuff.
Cover, it pays for it.
Take care of, handle it.
Heads up, quick warning. Don't just listen, speak.
Hit the sack.
Voucher,
Take care of.
heads up.
Again, faster. Hit the sack. Voucher. Take care of. Heads up.
Now say it like a native speaker.
Nice. That's how you sound natural.
Listen again, you'll catch way more this time.
And notice how natural it sounds now. If you want to sound like a native speaker, this is how you do it.
Real situations, real conversations.
Hit subscribe now and start speaking real English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.